The Cameo 5 comes with a roll feeder to hold rolled media. To prepare the roll feeder for installation, remove the front cover of the machine. Align the roll feeder lines with the lines on the machine front. Lift the front of the machine slightly and set the roll feeder to its installation positions on the bottom of the machine. Open the media guide until you hear a clicking sound. Gently pull the tray cover out to expose the sliding trays. Pull the left and right sliding trays upright and adjust the right sliding tray according to the media width of 5.5, 9, or 12 inches. Do not leave a gap between the roll's edge and the sliding tray. Place the roll media on top of the sliding trays and pass the leading end through the slit of the media guide. Adjust the position of the media guide adjuster according to the media width. Adjust the pinch rollers to match the media width. Align the left edge of the rolled media to the loading guide line. Butt the leading edge of the media against the pinch rollers. Press the media load button to feed it in. Make sure the leading edge is fed in straight. The edge must be inserted at a right angle. Media loaded at an angle may adversely affect the cutting process.